Jamming. Good morning, guys. Yeah, okay. Aha, that's what I told you. You see? Bro, we need you to retest. Like, we do. Just need you to go here, manipulate this hourly level, and then we'll be good to. You see? It's our transitory extremum of daily, of the monthly level. Oh gosh, I'm drinking ceremonial cacao. I'll be flying right now. Yeah. Boom. We need you to like manipulate it here. And since it's the transitory extremum, we don't need a closed manipulation signal, even though it's a counter trend. We can just play it right off an hourly. And as the matter of the fact, we could even play it off 5 minutes. We do. There is nothing that prevents us from playing this bad boy of the minutes. Yeah, it's the same deal, counter trend, but since it's a reversal, it will be transitory extremum for hourly as well. There is nothing we can play it like as low as 5 minutes. And this guy, pretty much same deal, right? Yeah, absolutely same deal. And I like this one even better. So this is now tests this level. It's not closed yet, but it's like test of this level. And if sale doesn't resume from here, but touches here, we can go on hourly. And hourly. Play it here, same. And play it on hourly. And boom. And we can even go on minutes. And play it for minutes. Easily. Yeah. Let's see the market real quick. Woo! Semiconductor ETF goes to the skies. Qs goes to the skies. Everything just goes to the skies. Ooh la la. This is technically goes into 0.5. Ooh, this is stretched. Ooh. And this volume, the biggest volume of the wave, you see? Only something. Yeah, and the volume is here, you see? So technically, yes, but practically, no. We'll keep it for now, but that can get nasty very fast. Why do you have to be so slow? See this guy? In higher, in higher, in higher. In even bigger volume. Tell me it's not overextended. Tell me that this volume here, you see guys? See how it looks now? The biggest volume of the trend comes in a short candle. Tell me it's not a potential sign of reversal. And I'll laugh in your face. And I'll be laughing. Still due to back trade, guys. Bad, bad, bad. 10, 10, 10, 10. Ooh. Look at this. But I mean, I would be careful even to consider it. You see? Because of the... Oh, and it's not the biggest volume. Never mind. Yeah, you don't play 0.5 under the... However, you see what it did? It bounced. But I wouldn't play this volume, the biggest volume of the entire long impulse on hourly. Yeah, I'm not suicidal. I'm not here to lose money. I'm here to make money. And it was like boom, boom, boom. Yeah, no, nothing. Nothing compares. This volume though, look, it's here. It's down here. It's not here. Yeah. Well, that's interesting stuff going on Bitcoin. It's interesting stuff. You see how volume is down there below, and now it grinds higher. I don't think it still matters on hourly, but on a minute, this is clearly, yeah, that's, and I mean, it's like what, 3-wave correction? Yeah. So technically, it's a massacre. You know, you got to be really reckless to even try to play this one. I don't need it on days. No, thank you. Yeah, and here's the exhaustion volume, but it's like too high up there. So hourly shows like it's irreversible. However, it hits 0.5, and on minutes we see that the biggest volume goes here, while the biggest volume of the up, yeah, it looked like in initiative turnover, like strong buyers, boom, strong sellers go lower. It still can hold. So yeah, like the break under ice, no sign of weakness bar, long day bearish candle, broke below, but then didn't hold this level. It up thrusted, and then on the test, we'll see. You got to be super careful. Okay, XLP. Where's our XLP? Woo! Oh, that's hourly. Pepsi shows us some class. On hourly. Sorry guys for my hair, just woke up. It's like 8 a.m. in Los Angeles. Hey, wait. What happened to our... No, why? Do we have one more stock? Yes, that's our main thing. Come on. This is our main thing. XLP. Why do we have cues here? Oh, because you can technically play them. Right, you're right. We can play them bullish in continuation of the trend. Like super short trades. It's so extended. It's so extended. Even in the even on the minute, you know what I mean? Like quickest action on the minute. We can because it's bullish. 10, 10. So to play it on hourly, we need a deeper correction to the previous T2, but on minutes we can play it as it is. Qs. La la. Technically. Technically. You see how it was exhausting here? And then boom, a little splash on increasing volume and test, and but yeah, it's like deep. It's deep below. And still, it was earnings. And that was just it was gap and go. Everyone who was high here long closed. Mm-hmm. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Only like this, and this is stretched. Just not gonna lie to you. This stretched. Okay. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Let's see. Let's see who writes us. Wait, what? Private. I can't use the premium indicators if it were. Please help me. Wait, what? Hi, man. You should write to support in regards, but IMHA should not use no indicators other than FIB. Cheers. Okay. If you can't use the indicators you have paid for, address this issue to help tickets, which are right here. Help center, my sport tickets. Let's see what they've written. Could you please make sure there is no sync settings? Okay, I will. And here, settings. Oh wow, cool. But I didn't publish that idea. I did not. But clear cache is a good idea. Is it cache cage? What do you call it in English? In this weird language. Okay. You see what it does to us? Plug is like teasing us. It's like, do you want to buy me here? And it still tests. Look, and then you get this volume, which probably, yeah, probably was a take profit for those who didn't wait for the test. Yeah, like this. To do, you see, to, yeah. So these guys are out by now. And this volume is weird. Mm-hmm. Boom. And then, and it didn't hold. Yeah. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. That was another entry. That wasn't, well, technically it was like here and it would have worked. Yeah, there was a lot of opportunity on plug, but we missed it. And now playing this. Uh, well, this test is not scary and this volume is not scary because it's not up here. There is volume here for sure, but all the volume is here. And it held. That was, you've seen on minutes. It is a bit of a massacre because it chewed down the G2, but it held. So there is nothing that should be it's like a little bit of a massacre on zero point 0.5 and far below on 5 minutes and far below the zero point 0.5. So realistically, maybe. Oh, and also note that here we should also, it was a transitory extremum over. But I wouldn't be playing it without test anyway, so that's not hallucinating. So after it goes like this. Chun, 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 ta-da-da-dum, ta-da-da-da-da-da-dum, chun, 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 chun. I don't know why, but Bob Marley is stuck in my head today. So technically it's a reversal of the trend. Yeah, let's keep the plug on deck. So it comes here. Nah. And we're not gonna trade it anyways. Why am I just spending my time on this guy? XLCal. Chun, 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 ta-da-da-dum, oh, sorry. Ta-da-da-da-dum, chun, 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 ta-da-da-dum. What NVIDIA does right now, it does like this. Dun, 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 dun. And we'll see on Monday if it breaks or if it holds. How come this guy to do no test for you and Bowman to this volume? Our coin. Looks like it holds for now. Where's the we'll see. We'll see how it interacts with this volume. Yeah, we can look for trades in continuation of the trend on. Is it Vanguard Semiconductor ETF? Yeah, I mean this guy. Technically, we can look in continuation of the trend. On hourly or minutes. So for hourly, it would end 4 minutes until this level. And you see this exhaustion? No bueno. And that's looks familiar. Oh, looks familiar. There's some volume here, untested. Nothing here, so yeah. At least a correction. I would only look for something over here, probably. Let's keep this in deck. QS, we already in. Visa, JP Morgan, Bank of America, HSBC, AstraZeneca, we're already looking at. XLP. Yes, XLP. For sure. 10 extended. But here it looks... Oh. Well, gotta be careful with this one. And here, anyways, what's going on here is this breakthrough. Yeah, this guy. Thanks, guy. Yeah, when it bounces up here, and it manipulates this T1 level, then we can talk. Pepsi. Yeah. Well, too many taps we have. This can be played in continuation of the trend. In continuation of the trend. This is our continuation of the trend. This is our So this 0.54 minutes, and probably that was a trade. Yeah, you see this level. Great level that break through. So that was a trade. If there was something on 5 minutes, there was. To do. Didn't give us a test. Can you imagine, guys? Missing this train just because this spring was deep in counter trend. So test, please. No, sorry, no test for you. Yes, and the previous T2 level is here. So that will be our next. That can work for hourly. You can still watch like the level of tests. Yeah, with this volume, no. I would be really careful to playing of this level again. And thank you, TraderView. TraderView knows better. Oh no, sorry, whatever you said. That was Costco. CVS, Home Depot. Wait, hold on. CVS, Home Depot. Well, technically it broke this level, but look how weak. There's this volume. It's actually here. It's actually here. And for the entire, like for hourly, yeah, that could be the level. And an hourly, yeah, that could be the level. And see this level here. It still looks bullish with this volume. Mhm. Broke down. Yeah. Keep an eye. What's the update? It's already on our radar. The military stock, General Dynamics. We make the war. Isn't it a good slogan for the military company? We kill people. I'm sure they have their explanation to whereas why they don't. This is a neutral bar, really. So yeah, if this bar close bearish, it will be just. It doesn't make any sense. It's still manipulation. Yeah, we'll leave it alone. Let's see Roku just for fun. Yeah, it grinds higher. It should go higher. Comcast. Oh, look at this guy. This is guys. This like I mean everything is so yum on the market. You got to be super careful. When everything is like super yum, good sign of losing money. Dun, 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 da-da-da-dum. No volume. It went too high too. It's almost reached. Yeah, so technically we don't have like context here after it goes back to point 0.5 after almost reaching the resistance on monthly. Dun, 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 ta-da-da-dum, ta-da-da. Doesn't look bad um, on hourly at all. You guys notice this volume? Guess what? Guess what? Uh-huh. Looks familiar? Because to me it does. It does look familiar. So this broke down, this broke above, and now we have a break of this level, and yeah. I don't know how like this happens. I don't know how, if anyone knows, tell me how the exhaustion volume goes without any spread. So technically it indicates that everything that buyers were buying, someone sold to them at the same price level. So technically the retailers were like selling so eagerly here so that the buyers were able, institutional buyers, smart money, were able to buy everything with no. This is super, like, super weird. I'm still to comprehend a lot of things about stock market, American stock market. See this volume? It just happened. You see what I'm saying? Uh, you see what I'm saying? It just happened 5 minutes before. So someone bought shitload of stock, like smart money bought shitload of stock, and like retailers or whoever, like let's call it dumb money after the movie, even though it's not PC to say so, just sold all this stock. Yeah, interesting. Regardless, it's a good level. It's a good level. We should definitely keep an eye on this guy. No, that's not what I meant. Not at all. What I meant is this point 0.5, of which we can buy Comcast. Uh, Once again, it's alarming, and like this volume is not scary anymore because we see it's all here. Someone bought. On monthly, I don't like the fact that it's almost reached a monthly level. So it can easily go like bloom. Let's keep an eye. It's too close. It went too close to the resistance level, and it's now too close to support level. However, it still holds 0.5 of this spring. Is a good volume. So this is spring, this is test, and everything looks good um, in this regards to spring minus plus test. And there is no volume whatsoever on test, which is good. So yeah, I'm not crazy about how close these levels are. And this is, guys, this is not a wave level, it's a jump over creek level. Just keep that in mind. It's not wave forming level. And still, we'll keep an eye. Too many things to keep an eye for today. And it's Friday also, guys. Don't forget the jerky movements. What is this? Jerky movements are ahead of us by the end of the day, towards the end of the day. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So yeah, that's what we've got for today. This guy I'll just buy, but I think we have to wait till Monday till this happens. This guy, same deal, like watching it an hourly. This is stretched, but can be short play. Nothing here for sure. Like nothing here for sure. 10, 10, 10, 10, ta-da-da-da. Yeah, biggest volume. And like once it breaks this, you cannot consider this 0.5, but this is something doable. This again is this volume here. Uh-huh. Sounds familiar? Look at this. Check this out. How about this? Almost the biggest volume of the entire trend. Tested though. Doesn't matter. Gotta be like super careful around here. Here's a good volume for you, but it's, yeah, no, super careful here. Pepsi looks good and its earnings. Earnings. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Costco doesn't look bad. Where this volume goes. And this volume goes actually here. Yeah. It looks good for both this and this level. Comcast we discussed. And these guys. Let's check our crypto deals. What happens in our futures? Haha. This is not bad. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and oops, we closed yesterday. Yes. Still glad I took half over here like this. Because, and remember, this is the one that broke the monthly, so that can be it for a correction. And then it'll just go higher. It's already above the point 0.5 of this impulse, and it approaches the point 0.5 of the entire wave. If it doesn't hold here, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. But this looks good. Okay, our Bitcoin. Ta-da! Ta-da! Yeah, it did this. Restore connection. It did this. Of course, it didn't hold this level. It couldn't hold this level. I'd be surprised if it held. If it did. So no point 0.5. No point. I want to like curse like Mark Rebillet. I don't think I can allow this luxury. Uh, Streaming on trading view. No more sign of the strength level BITCH. I'll do it like this. Yeah, see this? 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Yeah, nothing. But nothing compares. Nothing compares to you. Yeah, I'm gonna let you go. So that's your ad for today. Kind of ish. Kind of ish. Yeah, you wanna lose some money? Test it. This is not bearish. Super careful with the joke level for the second time below 0.5. Super careful. Super careful. Not on days, that's too ambitious for you. 0.5 of the minutes to demand. Yeah, and this level will be like too low. Don't think on minutes. I don't think so. This I'll check again before I leave, like around noon Pacific time, like an hour before the exchange closes in New York. And I see you then.